To begin, create a mountain fold. Then open out and fold again the opposite direction. Next, open out and fold along both diagonals, making 2 more mountain folds. Flip the model over and bring the sides in to meet at the center. Fold the center folds in and collapse down to make a triangle or the water bomb base. Fold the top layer of both corners up to meet in the center. Flip the model over and lift the bottom corner up. You want to fold it past the top edge, so the tip of the triangle extends over the top. Flatten the center, but not the edges of the crease. Fold the tip of the triangle over and crease it. Now all you have to do is find a place to display your origami butterfly and enjoy.